anticipating joining our lives together. I knew this day would come. It's finally here, and I can't wait to see my beautiful bride coming towards me. Just know that I'm thinking of you, somewhat nervous, excited, and more importantly, looking forward to calling you Mrs. Henry, my queen. Love, Greg.
At you today and I see everything that I fell in love with. The joy you bring me, no words could ever explain.